Company instruction. Ruipuhua Machinery Equipment Factory set up in 2005, and factory is located in Foshan City, Guangdong Province, China. It owns 20,000 square meters standard workshop. Ruipuhua has always been focused on R&D, design, manufacture, installation and technical services in the fields of pillow-type packaging machine, automatic feeding packing line, and associated equipment since its establishment. Ruipuhua has provided various automatic feeding and packaging solutions for our customers based on technology. We have many successful cases as following. 1. Biscuits and cookies automatic feeding packaging machine. 2. Cake and bread full automatic feeding packing line. 3. Swiss roll and layer cakes, sandwich cake automatic feeding and packing line. 4. Cotton candy bar automatic feeding packing line. 5. Chocolate bar and cereal bar automatic feeding packing line. 6. Wafer single pack and family pack line. 7. Hotel soap, family soap, all kinds of soap automatic package machine, and so on. An ERP system are used throughout the entire enterprise production management, optimizing the resource allocation, achieving lean production, strengthen the controllability in the process of production and management, simplify production and management process, resolve complex process, implement process staging. Ruipuhua established long-term relations with several well-known consulting training institutions, constantly enhance professional service of the team. 1-year warranty. After the warranty expires, we provide lifelong maintenance paid service to the customers. Now, Ruipuhua have 15 marketing service in China, provide professional advice and after-sales service. Products are exported to Asia, South America, Africa, European more than 200 countries, and have some local distribution and service office. As a leading manufacturer of packaging system in China, Ruipuhua has always specialized in providing individual automatic feeding and packaging solutions. By the mode of efficiency, stabilization, scientific, and automation, we are successful to minimize the labor intensity, greatly reduce the production cost, improve productivity, avoid the secondary pollution of the food, and escort for the enterprise success. Welcome to Ruipuhua. Leave the packaging department to us. Your demands, we come to satisfy.